Welcome to Framework Fortune. I'm your host Ben, and this message is for all new day traders and long-term investors out there who watch a lot of YouTube to learn how to trade and how to long-term invest. So a lot of the major YouTubers right now, I won't say any names in this video, but they know who they are putting out videos at this time telling people to buy stocks now because they're cheap. But the problem is, the advice that they're giving you may sound good, but these big YouTubers with these financial channels and stock market channels, things like that, they are not in the trenches every day. There might be a few of them that are actually day trading and swing trading and in the markets every day, but a lot of them, especially the bigger ones who are making plenty money off of sponsorships and ad revenue on their YouTube channel, they're not in the markets every day actually day trading or swing trading and keeping up with what is actually going on. Of course, they can see the news headlines, they can see that the market is crashing, and they're going to play off of those fears to make more money. That is one of the things that marketing will teach you, is when there's a time like this, you can make money off of people's fears and panic. So they're going to do and tell you anything that they can to get you to subscribe, to get you to buy their courses right now, to get you to sign up for their chat room access that costs money, to get you to start an account with Webull and Robinhood, to get their affiliate money because they all have affiliate links to these companies. And this is true. This actually is real. I got an email yesterday from Webull's marketing team wanting me to do some videos, a sponsorship offer. I haven't taken it. I'm probably not going to take it because I'm not feeling like I should be telling people to be buying stocks like Apple and Microsoft and these stocks that are crashing at the current moment. I still feel like there's a lot more left of this market crash. I mean, it's been going down and it's on a downtrend. I'm looking at charts. I'm not looking at just headlines and different things like that these bigger YouTubers are looking at. I'm actually in the market every single day, day trading, live streaming the trades, talking about the trades, giving my thoughts on the current market situation. So if you're listening to these bigger YouTubers, I understand a lot of the stuff they're going to say sounds appealing, but do they really know what they're talking about? If you're not in the trenches every day, you probably are not really going to understand. For example, 2 days ago, it just felt like the stock market was like the top of a roller coaster where everybody was holding the rails, getting ready for it to drop. That tension was there. You could feel it. The good thing is, when you're there every day, you can make money on the stock market. And I have a video that I will link you guys to. It'll be in the description and in one of the info cards of how to make money on the coronavirus, which talks about the ways that you can make money during a crash like this. But buying stocks just because the prices have went down some doesn't mean it's a good strategy. There's quite a bit left. If you start buying now, it's like catching a falling knife. So you really want to wait for that bottom if that's what your plan is. I just really wanted to put this out here to let people know, because there's been so many new traders coming into the markets the past couple of years because of social media and because of how hot the market's been. And in these times like this, new people who don't know any better, and there's nothing wrong with that. You're new to this industry. There's a lot of scamming, there's a lot of pump and dumps, there's a lot of fake gurus out there that are going to try to get you to buy stuff, and this is not the time you should be spending your money on courses and things like that. A lot of information out there is free. I don't sell anything currently. I do have a few affiliate links and things like that, I'll just be honest with you, but they're not on every single video. I'm not shoving them down your face, and I'm not telling you to sign up for anything at this moment. What you should be doing is getting some cash ready for when we do bottom out at the market. Once the market gets down to a certain price, then you can start buying cheap shares of Apple and Microsoft and Disney and Starbucks and all those big stocks that those traders or those YouTubers are telling you to buy right now. You want to wait till there's an actual bottom. And unless they're presenting you any data of when that bottom is going to be, then I would not recommend listening to what they're saying. protect yourself. Be smart during these financial times and use your logic to get through this. The market will eventually rebound. It doesn't crash forever. You can go and look at the SPY, that's ticker symbol SPY. That is an ETF that moves the way the whole entire stock market moves. So if the market goes up, SPY will go up as well. You can look at that on a 20-year chart and you can see the market has constantly been going up, and that's just how the market does. You will have pullbacks, you will have crashes, but eventually it will recover. So if you do have a big portfolio and you're worried about your long-term investments, if you're younger, in 10 years, this won't even be a blip on the radar. This will be another one of those stories that stock market people and people with 401ks will talk about in 10 years and say, you remember that coronavirus and how bad the stock market got at that time? That's what it'll eventually be. So don't worry about that too much. If you've got a portfolio, you don't want to start selling all your stocks just because the market is crashing right now. Eventually they will recover. If you're wanting to get in when the bottom is actually here, like I said, keep some cash ready. And there's other ways you can make money, like I said before. So don't freak out. Don't start panic selling and giving in to your fears and panic that the social media is trying to play on. And here's the truth. No matter how rich anyone is off of the stock market, no matter how good their courses are, no matter how good they are of a teacher, no one 100% knows what the market is going to do. At any time, a vaccine could come out. The coronavirus could slow down. It doesn't look like it's going to, but it could. You never know what can happen. Things can change in an instant. So anybody telling you that they know for sure that this is the time to buy or that you should sell all your stocks, anybody telling you, I know for sure you need to do this now, they're probably talking crazy, because like I said, no matter who it is, there is no 100% guarantees in the stock market at any time ever. So I hope this helps you guys out. You can find me on Instagram at framework_fortune. You can find me on Facebook. You can message me in the comments. Anywhere you want to try to find me at if you have more questions or you have concerns, it's no problem. I'm always available to answer any questions that anybody may have. And the bottom line is, use your logic when it comes to searching for answers on YouTube. So that's it for this video, guys. Until next time.